The OnePlus 12 is shaping to be one of the biggest upgrades in years, boasting a larger display, triple camera system complete with a longer 3x telephoto camera, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and speedy 80-watt wire charging. Wireless charging also makes a return, which simply adds more value to its already outstanding package. At long last, I have what's arguably the first notable flagship phone contender in my possession in the form of the OnePlus 12. While it technically debuted in December in China, the new OnePlus flagship is poised to make a strong statement at the phone's global launch event next week, along with the OnePlus 12R as the missing device between the flagship model and OnePlus Nord series. After the surprise of the OnePlus Open's better than expected performance, OnePlus is looking to keep the momentum going with the OnePlus 12. As history has shown, the series has often delivered the best flagship value with strong emphasis on the design, cameras, battery and specs. But despite the ambitious tones, OnePlus top phone has often underperformed against key rivals like the iPhone, Pixel and Samsung Galaxy. This time could be different because the OnePlus 12 has fewer compromises than its predecessors. For instance, wireless charging makes a satisfying return to the series, restoring the most sought-out feature critics and fans have clamored for. Add in super speedy 80-watt wire charging, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, and a triple camera system complete with an upgraded 3x telephoto camera, and you have a pretty impressive candidate to go up against the best phones overall. We'll know for certain how the OnePlus 12 measures up once the phone comes out and we have a chance to test it, but here are our first impressions based on some OnePlus 12 hands-on time. I have previously talked about the biggest stigma that has followed OnePlus phones since the very beginning, how OnePlus often hypes the camera in its flagship only to have them underperform compared to rival devices. However, that could change with the OnePlus 12. The new phone comes armed with an 4th gen Hasselblad camera for mobile system that consists of a main 50MP camera, 14MP ultrawide and a 64MP periscope camera with 3x optical zoom. The latter step above the OnePlus 11's 32MP 2x telephoto camera, but I suspect its telephoto abilities will be boosted with the help of computational photography and the phone's 6x sensor zoom. In fact, it's very similar to the OnePlus Open's telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, which I have found to deliver excellent results that rivals the 5x optical zoom of the Google Pixel 4. I am very optimistic about all the upgrade camera hardware of the OnePlus 12. With its 4th generation Hasselblad camera for mobile, it should produce professional grade portraits, though head-to-head testing with other top camera phones will tell the tale. However, I can't stress enough about the importance of low light performance, an area where OnePlus continually underperforms. We'll soon see if that changes. Over on the video side, you can expect the usual 4K 60fps recording, but there's an option for 8K video recording. I am already excited about the OnePlus 12 because it could be the perfect affordable flagship I have been waiting for. OnePlus has often proclaimed its premium devices as flagship killers, and I think that still stands given the listed OnePlus 12 specs. However, I will save judgment once an actual price is revealed and we can gather a better sense of the phone's value. Beyond the price, the OnePlus 12 design looks sleek and it feels solidly built, but most of all, I'm eager to see how its upgraded cameras perform. It's the one thing that will define whether or not the OnePlus 12 can eclipse its chief rivals and finally take the crown as the best phone. I am hopeful because the OnePlus Open proved me wrong when I had a chance to test that phone. Maybe history can repeat itself this time.